बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि। काश ऐसे होता कि मैं एक पेड़ के नीचे ऐसे तपस्या करता और इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता, लेकिन ऐसा होता नहीं है, आपको अच्छी तरह से पता है। कोई भी स्किल सीखने के लिए, कुछ भी लाइफ में अच्छा करने के लिए जो कि लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होता है, थोड़ा समय तो खर्चा करना पड़ता है और थोड़ा पैसे भी खर्चा करना पड़ता है इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर क्वालिटी बट नॉट फॉर क्वांटिटी। एंड दैट इज द होल रीजन व्हाई मैं ये मैसेज आपके पास पहुंचाना चाहता हूं कि देयर इज अ 30 days program. All you have to do is to spend half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening. With our guidance, you practice with all the other students in something known as LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, writing in a particular fashion. And trust me, within 30 days, your confidence would be the best possible way that you can think of. You don't have to sit under the tree, but you just have to make yourself available for next 30 days. Are you ready to sweat for 30 days? Are you ready to be a part of our winning formula? If yes, go ahead, click the button below. I'm going to give you 3 bonuses if you're going to take the action right now. You'll get a 1,000 rupees flat discount on the total price, which means the course will cost you only 799 rupees per month. And not only that, you're going to get 2 bonus courses worth 3,000 rupees absolutely free. This is Srimaya Mahapatra, the founder of Odisha Digital Coaches Hub. And with a lot of our success story, I would like to see your story as the next one. See you on the other side of this video.